Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. Welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering, minimalism, and simple living. So do you remember all of those chores that you said you would like to tackle this summer but haven't even started yet? If so, you're not alone. So summer is meant for fun and relaxation, but it's also a season when those well-intended plans like cleaning out the garage get pushed aside. So instead of beating yourself up over that, for the things that haven't gotten done, try focusing on what you can do in smaller steps right now. So these 5 quick, no-pressure tips will help you make progress, feel accomplished, and still have some fun this summer. So if you're ready, let's get going. So the first one, I was going to clean out the garage. And so the tip here is pick one small area of your garage, break it down into small manageable sections, something like your workbench, and set a timer for 30 minutes this week. Sort, donate, and discard. You might want to select another small area for next week and the following week. These small steps will show progress. The second one is, I wanted to organize my digital photos. So the tip here is pick one event and organize it, and that's it. So create a simple, realistic, and totally doable plan to organize your digital photos in just 15 to 30 minutes this week. No overwhelm, no perfection is required. So focus on the one small section at a time, and then create a folder with a simple name on it like Mom's 70th birthday. And when you schedule that 15 to 30 minutes each week, you're going to start to see the progress in small steps. The third one is I promised myself I'd drop those bags off at the donation center. This one makes me smile because I've got some of that sitting in my garage right now. Put the bags in your car today. So don't let another day go by, just do it. So whether it's Goodwill, Restore, or another local shelter, just do it and check it off your list. Set a deadline for any future donations so you don't let them sit around too. And you might also schedule or consider scheduling a pickup with AmVets or some of the other people that offer that pickup service. And the next one is I was going to make my bedroom more peaceful this summer. So the tip here is to clear off one surface where your eyes hit first when you open your eyes in the morning. So start with your nightstand, your dresser, remove that clutter, dust it off, and add one peaceful, calming item on it. So it could be a small plant, a photo, a candle. And the action here is to set a timer for just 10 to 15 minutes, and you're going to be surprised at how quickly this can happen and how much lighter and more peaceful you feel. So challenge yourself to keep it that way. And the last one is I promised myself I would get around to organizing my important paperwork. So the tip here is don't start with organizing, start with tossing. So first grab a recycling bin and do a quick sweep of the obvious junk, the outdated bills, the expired warranties, the old magazines and flyers, and create a vital documents file for your passports, your birth certificates, wills, power of attorney, house deeds, and that kind of thing. Schedule a day each week to continue that process for 30 minutes, and you will get it done. So don't let summer go by without making progress on your household goals. Instead of taking it on as a huge project, like clear the garage, just break it down into small, manageable chunks to show progress, and you're going to feel better, and so will your home. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and also send it on to other people that might benefit, who might also need inspiration. And if you want to know a little bit more about downsizing, decluttering, and minimalism, just check out my downloadable Minimalist Essential workbook. It's filled with checklists and tips on decluttering, and living a simpler life. So until next week, keep it simple and have fun this summer.